Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Brazil's regulatory landscape took a sharp turn last week, and it's centered on cybersecurity. ANVISA, the country's national health surveillance agency, unexpectedly published Resolution RDC 999/2026. This new rule mandates stringent cybersecurity protocols for all connected medical devices. While the move towards tighter digital safety has been anticipated, the timeline for compliance is incredibly aggressive, catching many international manufacturers off guard. Effective immediately, all new device registrations submitted from June 1, 2026 must include a comprehensive cybersecurity management plan, or CMP. More critically, legacy devices already approved and sold in Brazil must have a compliant CMP submitted to ANVISA by December 31, 2026. This gives companies just over 6 months to bring their entire existing portfolio into compliance. A task that is far from simple. The requirements are detailed. The plan must not only align with international standards, but also be fully translated into Brazilian Portuguese and explicitly address Brazil's specific data privacy law, the Lei Geral de Proteção de Dados, or LGPD. This is not just a documentation exercise, it is a significant strategic hurdle. Consider a hypothetical but common case. A German company will call Vital Metrics. They have a best-in-class cardiac monitoring system with full CE marking under MDR in Europe. They entered the Brazilian market last year, assuming their robust European technical files would ensure smooth sailing. Now, they are facing a potential market lockout. Their existing cybersecurity documentation is in English, references GDPR instead of LGPD, and was not designed to be a standalone, submittable plan, as ANVISA now requires. Their local distributor is not equipped to handle this level of regulatory detail. Vital Metrics now has to scramble to perform a gap analysis, find local experts to translate and adapt their entire file, and overhaul their post-market surveillance plan, all within a 6-month window. This situation highlights a broader trend. ANVISA is signaling a clear shift towards more rigorous, proactive oversight, mirroring standards seen in the EU and the US. This is likely a precursor to similar moves by other major LATAM regulators in Colombia and Mexico. Companies that view LATAM as a market with a lower regulatory bar are in for a rude awakening. Proactive compliance is no longer optional. It requires a deep understanding of local nuances, from language to specific legal frameworks like the LGPD. The era of simply leveraging an existing CE or FDA approval without significant localization is rapidly coming to an end in Brazil. Navigating these sudden regulatory shifts is a complex challenge. If your company is facing similar hurdles in Brazil or other global markets, the team at Chen-Global is here to help. Contact us for a consultation by emailing info@pureglobal.com or visiting our website at https:/pureglobal.com.